Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my quest to document one road at a time. Today we're riding Kanan Road and Kanan Dume Road. Most of us around here just refer to it as Kanan, but it actually is two roads and they were completed about 10 years apart. The whole route is 12.2 miles and has about 40 curves. It's one of the very few thoroughfares where large trucks can go between the San Fernando Valley and the beach, so Malibu residents were not interested. The road was ultimately completed in the 70s, but because of those Malibu residents' protests, they designated this whole area as the Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area, and it can no longer be developed, so a huge thank you goes out to them. Even though Kanan starts further north, we're gonna start right here at the 101 where there's a bunch of shops and gas stations and restaurants. A good place to take a pit stop. Alright, here we go. Coming up on the left is Sierra Creek Road. There used to be a small grocery store and cafe here, but the Woolsey fire completely burned it to the ground. If you take Sierra Creek to the end and hang a right, it'll take you to the rock store and the bottom of the Snake. There are only 4 tunnels in the entire Santa Monica mountain range, and 3 of them around Kanan. Tunnel number 2 is the longest of all 4 of them. And just think, these tunnels used to be for two-way traffic before they expanded and put a second tunnel in each one. The 4th tunnel is on Malibu Canyon Road, and it's still a single tunnel with two-way traffic, and it feels a little sketchy. We're coming up to Mulholland Highway. To the left is the Scenic, which was recently reopened after 7 long years. And if you haven't seen my video on that, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Crossing over Mulholland puts us on Kanan Dume Road. Coming up on the left is the end of Latigo Canyon Road, which I've also filmed. It's fantastic, and I'll leave a link in the description for that too. Our first view of the Pacific Ocean is right around this corner. Before filming this road, I've never stopped at this turnout, but I'm glad I did because the view is magnificent. This is the Backbone Trail access parking lot, and coming up is the last of the 3 tunnels on Kanan, tunnel number 1. Looks like someone forgot to turn on the lights, and somehow that messes with the image stabilization. Shortly after the tunnel, it turns into 2 lanes in each direction, and it feels like a freeway, but it's still a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit. Those final few miles don't feel that steep. It's only 8%, but I guess if you're in an 80,000 pound truck, it's steep. So they built this runaway escape ramp to stop vehicles that have lost their brakes. Here's the end of Kanan Road, which ends on PCH. To the right is Zuma Beach and Neptune's Net, and to the left is Central Malibu and Topanga. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this so I can keep making more.